me going. Zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going. Zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going. Zoom.
Good evening, everyone. It is with deep honor that I'm welcoming you tonight to this momentous event.
Woo! Everybody look dashing tonight. So I'm gonna start the festivities. I now call this meeting to order, these festivities to order.
We would like to welcome you all here to the Sheraton Four Points for our 5th annual Induction of Officers and Gala Night. And of course, tonight is our Gatsby theme.
It is with heartfelt joy and deep gratitude that I welcome all of you to this very special occasion.
I'm just very honored and privileged to be here tonight. You guys are having a great party. We're really excited to be here and to be able to have the 5-year anniversary.
Honored guests, Lions, family, and friends, good evening. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for attending our event tonight.
Welcome to the 5th annual induction ball of San Diego Stars Lions Club.
Please welcome the newly elected president of San Diego Stars Lions Club.
I also would like to thank our past president, Felma Vargas, especially for her hard work, her dedication to the Lions, her tireless efforts, and laying the groundwork for us to follow.
First of all, I want to congratulate the Stars on their 5th year as a club.
Together, we will strive for impact, unity, and continued excellence.
For the communities that we serve under the leadership of our new president, Madam Minda Marshall.
Lion is just not a party organization. It has its missions. So tonight, I'm thankful for the new members that join us to continue with the missions and service to the community.
This inspired me to come back home and become a better Lion. She was so passionate about what they do and just make a huge difference in the world.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you. And I am confident that under your leadership, Madam, our club will continue to grow, to serve our community with the same passion and commitment. President Minda, I look forward to supporting you and the club in the year ahead.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the evening.